Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how to convert your text or article into video with the using this AI tool called Lumen5. And after the simple sign up process on the Lumen5, and in the dashboard you will click on a new video. And as you will click on this, you will find a lot of different templates. You can choose templates. As you can see, there are a lot of templates that we can choose the one we you like. And and even you can skip this process and create your video from scratch. And it's loading. As you can see, it's loaded, and here are two options. If you want to import a text from your post or article, you can paste the URL or just type the text and paste. As I have pasted the text, and you can see this in the right panel. You can see the scenes are being created here. Okay, all right. So almost scenes are created, and you can click on the preview button to preview this video, how this video is created. And it's a free plan, and you can upgrade this plan for downloading the full HD and 4K videos. Anyways, after previewing this, you will find the button publish here. Once you will click on publish, your video will start rendering. Okay, let's see this. All right, you can see the video is now rendering, and this is a preview. And after rendering, you can see this download button will be enabled, and the video, you can download the video and you can use it. So this is how you can convert your text or post into the video using the tool called Lumen5 in just 60 seconds. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Hope